I think it's quite important to realize that there are things which are beyond your control. For example, the sort of genes that you're born with. Some people are sort of born with genes which will make them much more prone to back pain. But there are certain things which you can improve. For example, ensuring that your sort of nutrition is good, especially things like vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency and back pain is quite prevalent, and this is something which you need to be aware of. If you had a lot of sciatic pain and this is a persistent pain, it may be worthwhile looking at things like vitamin B12. Exercises play a very big role in terms of back pain, and my suggestion would be to ensure that your core-based exercises, which improves your core balance and your core strength, is always upkept.